Welcome to the Tech Security News channel, where we update all the news of anything that's happening in the world of hacking, security, and of course we'll have tips and tricks and we'll have all sorts of information. But here you'll have all the companies that have data breaches, you'll have all the companies and all the operating systems that might have problems, security updates, and so on. It will be here. So this is the place if you want to learn what's happening, and maybe you'll hear that something, a company or a service you use might be breached. Well, you'll be the first, or between, you'll be one of the first to know it and be able to take action if needed. So First Horizon Bank had a hacker actually that was able to breach accounts. So a bank holdings company called First Horizon Corporation did say that some of its customers had online banking accounts breached. They don't know who, but they say that it might actually, it's very important to take action because the hackers could actually steal funds. And so that could be a big problem. The bank has many locations across 12 states across the southeast of the United States. And basically, the attackers accessed personal information and stole some funds. So if you were part of the customer of this First Horizon bank, there is a possibility that attackers were able to actually steal some funds. Now, the company says that the fraudulently obtained information and the hack that actually ensued, they say less than $1 million that were stolen, apparently. But still, when your bank account gets breached, it's not kind of cool. Of course, customers were reimbursed after the breach, so the company gave the money back. There's nobody's lost money except, of course, the bank itself. And that just talks about how we got to be careful. First Horizon spokesperson was not available for comment. Apparently, of course, they are never available for comment. And what I will always say when you have something like this happen, and if you are a customer of First Horizon Bank, change your passwords. Make sure that you look at your stuff all the time. It always is the same thing with these hackers. The bank or the company or the organization first says, "Oh well, it's a small little data theft or whatever," and it ends up to be much bigger after a few weeks. So stay on the safe side, and even if nothing happened to your account, change your passwords. Make sure that you stay the safest possible. It's often enough to stay safe when something happens. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.